With the animation window iconized, we shall now start the animation process. First of all, we shall go back to the very beginning of the process, pressing the button on the left, and then we shall start the play, and we can see the animation. And this is all for the animation process. Let us now reopen the animation window and take a look at the various possibilities that we have. We then have the possibility to create an AVI movie. To do this, let's open the corresponding part of the window. Let's click the AVI settings button. We have some option values to set. First, we have the create movie checkbox. If checked, it enables us to create the AVI movie. Then we can choose how many frames per second must be used in the movie creation. And in our case, we set it to 30. We can then choose where to create the file by indicating the name and the path in the file system. And finally, the resolution in pixel to be assigned to the movie. We can use the resolution already used in the graphics area, or a default value, or even a custom value. Once these parameters have been set, especially the AVI file creation checkbox, using the play button, we can start the actual creation of the movie. A progress bar indicating the status of the process will be displayed. We're not going to accomplish this task till its very completion here, since it would require more time than we can use now. Another possibility is to check collisions. By selecting collision detection settings, the collision management window opens. Let's see which the used parameters are. First, let us activate the collision detection checkbox. You can see it just below the first row of buttons. Okay, let's activate it. We must tell the program which entities are to be checked in order to verify the collisions and which feedback type must be used to show them. So, we can decide whether the entities involved in collision must simply be highlighted, or whether the animation must stop at the first collision, or whether the animation must stop at each collision point, or finally, whether to create a report of the collisions. In this last case, we shall have to specify the folder where to save it. Let's choose the first option, highlight entities, and then let's perform some action in order to better explain everything. Let's temporarily iconize the animation window, and in order to better distinguish collision in the assembly, let's hide layers 10, 21 and 22. Let's reopen the animation window and let's open the part related to evolutions. Let's modify H blade by changing some values. Let's fit the view inside the animation window so as to be able to see all the defined ranges. Let's start edit variation, and let us replace -17 with -30, and let us do the same in the other, since we want the two pieces to have a collision. Just to show an example, the settings of the collision management are the ones we have set. Let's check again, and now we have to select the two parts we want the info about. Select the part on the right side of the clamp. Then let's reopen the window. Let's click the select button in collision management in the collision management area, and then let us select the mentioned parts. Let us confirm. Let us then iconize the window back again. Let's move the model to the center of the graphics area, and let us select the button to the very left to have the animation start from its very beginning. And then let us select play, and so we shall see that when the collisions are detected, the parts are highlighted.